As an optometrist, I often find myself first port of call for many people who are experiencing headaches. The idea would be that we can supply glasses that are perhaps a little bit stronger and that'll solve the problem. Now, often that does solve the problem, but headaches can be caused by a whole variety of things. And in our world, in the ocular world, we can be looking at glaucomas or inflammatory eye diseases, all of which need to be looked at and diagnosed. Today we're going to talk more about migraine headaches. Now, migraine headaches are diagnosed fairly simply by taking a good history and symptoms from the patient. Migraine is classified as an intermittent episodic disorder, classified as a classical migraine if you experience aura with a headache, or a common migraine if you experience migraine without an aura. We tend to see people who are experiencing the aura much more frequently because that's associated with eyesight and they believe it's connected to what we can deal with. The phenomena people see in a migraine aura would tend to be spots of light, flashing light, zigzags, kaleidoscope effect. These are quite commonly seen, and at the end of this talk there's a link to a YouTube that will demonstrate beautifully exactly what we're talking about. But remember, that is a computer generated image, that's not a true image, so you'll get the gist of what you're supposed to see. There are also more disturbing visual effects that people experience with migraine, like patchy small blind spots, losing half of your visual field, perhaps to the right side or to the left side, sometimes even a total loss of sight completely. These can be terrifying. But as these symptoms ease off, then the headache tends to kick in. And the headache can get worse and worse as time goes on, often associated with nausea and dizziness. A common ocular side effect also is of intense light sensitivity. And in these instances, all we can do is refer you to your bedroom and turn the lights off or wear a dark pair of glasses. For those of you who are migraine sufferers, you will understand a lot of these things that happen because they've happened to you many times before. But what can be a very startling, a very frightening effect is to have a migraine aura without a migraine headache. And these I call ocular migraines. Some people refer to them as silent migraines because you get the visual disturbances without any headache happening. And these can be terrifying for people because they've no idea what's actually happening to them. But it is vital for you to come and get these checked out because there are other issues that may be ongoing that's causing the trigger for these to happen. So we still do want to see you. 99% of the time we'll check you out and tell you that there's absolutely nothing wrong with you. But sometimes there are just a little things going on. We can be looking at retinal tears, we can be looking at transient ischemic attacks in your head. These are pretty rare, but we really need to rule them out. All in all, migraine, not uncommon, but we would still want to see you just to check you out. Thanks then, bye-bye.